Well, now we are based on the 1 hour chart. Alright. If we refer back to my last video, especially my video on Friday, okay, when the price was here, we analyzed that we will say we are expecting the price to go up, right? But one of the options which we more interested, we say the option we were more interested was, we say we have this correction here and we will say we are expecting to have a similar since what we have here. This means we were expecting to get this correction. When the price was here, we say this can correct and go high, then even I mentioned we can get the downtrend. Alright, this is what we get here, and after that we say if we break this low, then from there we can look for the uptrend. Okay, now we get this up move, and we didn't have any trade set up here. The price was really sharp. Now we want to see how we can trade. Okay, based on our analysis, if this correction what we have here and here, if we put together, if we consider this correction is over and now this is the start of the uptrend, at least to break this high. Okay, as I say, we didn't have any trade set up here, we just should move off. Okay, if I want to trade this one, I prefer the price here, I get the correction. That means if it give me a correction similar to the one flag, the flag, then maybe we can trade it. We need to see the flag and the trade setup. Alright, rather than that, there is no more trade setup. Even as I say here again, we didn't have any. Even in my last video, we expect the price to break this low and lower, and then from there we were expecting for the reversal. Even we get, but we didn't have any trade setup. Okay, and now the only option we say if we get a correction here, then we can look for trade. But the only things I want to mention here, the way the price is correcting here, we need to consider the way it's correcting. There is a possibility the price can come here and correct a bit more deeper. Alright, this means this correction can be a bit deeper, can go lower before it go up, exactly because of the way it's correcting here. Because whenever the price was here, what was expected to get similar to what I have here, but I get it differently. But it doesn't matter because both of them are a correction. The only thing is I need to consider about this before look for the uptrend. In this case, just to conclude, we don't have any trade setup. The only times we can buy if from here the price we get the proper correction before we look for buy. If not, we don't buy because there is a possibility this one can correct it, go lower and give us a deeper correction. In this case, we just follow the market and we will see by tomorrow whether we can get any proper trade set up or not before we enter the market. Thanks.